y'all can sit there and be combing all that stuff about your hair. Me, I'm taking this off like a hat and sitting it to the side and moving on to the next style. Okay. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you're not new here, hi and welcome. Consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. So today, you guys, today's video sponsor is Youthfee, and this is their 47-inch triangle part knotless. Wait, is this knotless? Because I feel like it's knots in here. Let me double check if they say knotless. They do say knotless. But is this not a knot? Like, I don't know. That might be a knot. It might not be. I don't know. So this is their knotless locks butterfly lock braided unit. It is 47 inches. I am 5'6", and this is 47 inches. This is very, very long. I stood up on my little tote just to show y'all the length. Like, my camera couldn't even capture the full length of this. So surprisingly, for this to be almost 50 inches long, this is very, very, very lightweight. It's very lightweight. I've seen girls with their hair done like this, And I'm one of those ones that be like, oh my god, that is just too long. How can they, but y'all, it actually is pretty. This is still too long. This is very long. I'm not gonna say too long, but it is very long. But it is very pretty. I think something about length with braids showcases the beauty of the braid. Yeah, something about when it's just long and you, I don't know, something about the length. When it's just long, I just feel like you really can see the beauty of the braid. Because it's just so long, I almost feel like if you wanted to just shorten it up or feel like it wasn't as long, you definitely would probably have to pull this to the front of your head, just so that it doesn't feel as long. I'm not sure. Because of the length as well, I'm still trying to like kind of get a feel for like hairstyles that you could possibly do with this as well. So this is like if you combed it over, but this one is like weird. So we may have to bring her over to this side. Let's drop 2 in the front. Let's see if you could do like a half up, half down. I never have a ponytail holder, like never. I never have a ponytail holder. Here's a little look. Really cute. Got a top piece up here. 2 hanging pieces. I almost feel like this is so tough because the hair is so, it's really soft. So it's like really spongy too, but I just feel like because it's so long, when you do a ponytail, it's just, I'm wondering like when you get in your car, I drive a truck, like I'm just wondering like, would this hit the roof of my car? You know, this will hit the roof of my truck. Or you can leave them down and just pull these ones to the back and leave these 2 hanging. Or you could pull them off and just leave the bottom hanging. Let's do a top knot. Look at this. This is so much hair. Like it is so long. It's not even that it's a lot. It's just really long. But ponytail. Ooh, this ponytail is heavy. Yeah, this ponytail is heavy, but it's really pretty. Napes of these, you cannot, I repeat, you cannot wear your nape out unless you might be doing like a look like this and you're leaving your hairs down. But if you was to wrap this up, which is going to be the next style we do, you have to cover the nape up because y'all saw when I cut that lace, it's just very blunt. There are no baby hairs on this unit. In the back, I think that would be nice to have because it would cover that part up better. But yeah, we not doing that. You not wearing this up without no scarf. So what I do is I use this, and it's just like a tube. I got this at the beauty supply store. I actually think it's for like dreadlocks, but I use this as my scarf. I get it in black. They have all other colors, but I just prefer black. Regardless of what I'm wearing, I wear the black one because the braids are black, and I feel like it's not giving like, oh yeah, she hiding that, you know, she hiding the hairline, or the hairline must be messed up or something like that. So I'm going to slip this on. And then I just feel like it's a neater look. Like, I'm not about to be tying all this stuff up on his head when we already got all these braids and the braids ain't attached to our scalp, you know. So I try to keep it minimal with the things that I do put on my hair when I'm wearing these braids. So I stick to stuff like this, and then it'll cover that nape up. It still gives it a cute little look. Yeah, so you can wear it like so. The parts on here are very big because this is just given kind of like jumbo parting, jumbo triangular parts. So you don't really have a lot of braids on here, which is why I think it's not super heavy when it's down. This ponytail does have some weight. But we're going to, I'm going to 2-strand twist it, and then I'm going to just wrap it around. But it's very, very soft, like spring twist type soft. Very spongy like spring twist. And I'm going to kind of try to do it flat so I can get in the car because I do have an errand to run. And y'all, this type of hair will look so cute with the hair jewelry that they gave. You just really getting like them vibes. So cute. So neat. See? Oh wait. Child, and my actual braids is hanging out. Hold on. Okay. So cute. This is so, ooh, this is so pretty. Really, really pretty. Oh, I feel like this top knot really compliment me. Like, yeah, my jaws is jawing, my cheekbones is cheekboning. Yeah, I really feel like, yeah, this top knot is like my little look. All this length and me putting it up in the bun is what's giving me life right now. So cute. Y'all know I'm always here for the braided wigs. Y'all, I just don't have the time. And I'm not quite sure. I mean, everything done went up. Everything costs a lot of money now. So these braids, I know they hitting. I know they are hitting for price. Like, I just know this ain't no $100 type of style. But you got your $100. You can get you this wig though. You know, so it almost don't matter what they're charging for. You can get the look without the cost. You can get the look without adding the stress to your hair. We be excited getting our hair braided, so we sit there and get it done, but I'm quite sure we all dread taking all that stuff down. Y'all can sit there and be combing all that stuff about your hair. Me, I'm taking this off like a hat and sitting it to the side and moving on to the next style. Okay, there's a link in the description box down below if you guys are interested. Yeah, I want to thank did I say Youthfee? Yeah, I did. Okay, yeah. I want to thank Youthfee for sending this over. I really do think you guys would like this. Yeah, I really think you would like it, and I think you would appreciate it being lightweight as well. So I want to thank them for sending this over, and thank you guys for watching. And yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in my next one. Bye.